So guys, today's video is on waffles. Thank you for always coming around to watch Packaging TV. We do appreciate you. From zero to the number we are having now is an encouragement that we are pushing on. One thing about waffles is that you can make this and store in your fridge. Whenever you want to make use of it, you just take it and put a portion in the microwave and have a bite of it and enjoy your meal. So let's not waste time. Let's introduce the ingredients that we are using today for our waffles. Let me get my ingredients well arranged. Then the next slide is that I'm going to show you the ingredients that I'm using for my waffles. Thank you for always staying connected. We love you. For the waffles, we have 200 gram of flour, 50 gram of sugar, some drop of vanilla flavor, 30 gram of melted butter. Here is baking powder, 1 large egg, 150 gram of milk, and here is salt. So here are the ingredients for the waffles. So right here, I'm going to start with my dry ingredients, which is flour. Then next, I'm adding my sugar. Then I'll be adding a pinch of salt. Then here is my baking powder. This is a teaspoon of baking powder. So my dry ingredient here is finished. So I'm going to mix all my dry ingredients together. Then I will set this aside. Next is going to be my wet ingredients. Here I'm going to break 1 egg. Here is my egg. I'll mix it. Next is going to be my milk. The next here is my vanilla. Here is my vanilla flavor. Then alongside with my melted butter. To mix all this together. What we are going to do right now is to mix the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients together, and then we proceed by putting the waffles to the waffles maker. Let's proceed. This is my dry ingredients. I'll make a well at the center of my dry ingredients, and this actually make a well for me. Yes, it does. So I'll make a well at the center of my dry ingredients. I'm going to pour my wet ingredients and mix. Just going to give this a simple mix. See, I'm done mixing. So I'm done mixing my waffles. I'm going to put this to the machine. In the next 4 to 5 minutes, the results will come out. So guys, here is my waffle machine. I'm going to brush this first. I'm keeping it like this so that you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to brush this to avoid it from sticking. After that, you scoop your waffles to each of the box. you can see. Now I'll cover it and leave it for like 4 minutes to get done. In the next 4 to 5 minutes, I'll be opening this and we'll see how the result will come out like. So it's exactly 4 minutes now. I'm going to check this. If it's not ready, I'm going to give it another 1 minute. So let's check and see what is going on here. See how the heat is bubbling up. Wow, this delicious, this nice, this looking attractive. Our waffles is ready. This is very, very nice. So I'm going to take the one that I'm going to test. This is so nice and delicious. So guys, I'm spreading syrup on the waffles. You can use your honey if you don't have syrup, and you can also use your vanilla ice cream to eat these waffles. Please, I want you to support me by liking this video. Make a comment, let me know what you feel, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please, I'm pleading you to click on that subscribe button right now. Click on the subscription button right now and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post new videos. Yes, Uko Marketing is for all of us. You too if you want to make a video with us, you are free. So please, thank you for always watching our videos, and we really want to appreciate you so very much. God bless you. I love you, but God loves you most. Thank you. See you next week on our next video.